everyone, welcome back to my channel friends. Today's video is a very interesting video and we are going to learn mosaic decoupage on a candle holder. I have taken an MDF candle holder over here. You can also do this on a wax candle or any other surface of your choice. It's a very interesting technique of decoupage which is very easy but looks very beautiful. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit that like button and keep watching our videos. We'll be coming up with more such interesting videos in future as well. So let's check out what all we need for mosaic decoupage. MDF light holder or candle holder, Mod Podge, decoupage paper, sponge dauber, brush, acrylic color. I have taken blue acrylic color, glossy accent and scissor. I have primed the light holder or candle holder with white acrylic color from all the four sides and from the top side. Now I am taking this decoupage paper and I'll be fuzzy cutting these designs which I want. So just you can have a look how I am fuzzy cutting the designs. We have to cut the designs end to end. I'll show you one because we need that mosaic or tile effect when we will be sticking this on our candle holder. You can take any pattern papers of your choice or decoupage tissue napkins or magazine prints, but these decoupage papers, they have these good designs in different patterns, so it is advisable to use these ones because these are quite a bit thick also as compared to the tissue napkin, and they get very well adjusted to the surface. So see, this is how I have cut the pattern from the decoupage paper. Now in the similar way, I'll be cutting all the different patterns and I'll proceed further with the sticking part. So I have fuzzy cut all the patterns which I wanted, and these are in two colors, light blue and dark blue. So I'm taking alternate designs, light blue, then dark blue, then light blue. So this is how I'm going to place them on all the four sides. So now let's start sticking them with the help of Mod Podge. I'm using a glossy Mod Podge. You can use matte as well. You can use decoupage glue, or you can use a mixture of Fevicol and water as well for sticking. This is how. Since these papers are not very thin, they are a bit thicker as compared to the tissue napkins, so they stick very fast and we don't get any wrinkles while sticking them, so it's easier to stick these ones. I'm keeping some gap, as you can see. I want symmetrical patterns while sticking them. So this is how I'll be sticking the patterns on all the remaining three sides. have stuck the designs on all the four sides of the candle holder, and now I am just giving a single coat of Mod Podge to seal the upper design before applying the glossy accent. Since it is paper, so it is very important to secure or seal this design so as to protect it from all the dust, dirt, and make it waterproof. Apply a generous amount of Mod Podge to secure the design. So this is how you do it. Now I'll let this dry and then I'll proceed further. So after giving the coat of Mod Podge on other three sides, I have covered the top side with blue acrylic color matching to the design. Now we'll proceed to the final part, that is applying this glossy accent on the designs. So just fill this glossy accent in any small bottle and start applying it slowly all over the design. Applying this glossy accent will give a mosaic effect, shiny and a glossy effect. I hope you are able to see this. If you can just focus it. Once it dries out, you will be able to see the effect. I'll show you. I'll apply this throughout the design on all the four sides of the candle holder. You can also use fabric glue to give this effect of mosaic or tiles. Fabric glue also works very well. So I have covered one design in the similar way, the other one. You have to just apply this glossy accent only on the design and not on the background part. I'll fill up all the designs on all the four sides, and once it dries off, I'll show you how it looks. So after applying this glossy accent, I have zoomed the camera and you can just see the shine, how beautifully the designs are shining, and a very good gloss effect has come up. So this is how our candle or light holder looks like. The top portion in blue color and rest of the sides in light blue and dark blue patterns. A very simple yet beautiful decoupage technique, mosaic decoupage. Do give a try to this technique and let me know, and do share your pictures on my Instagram. I'll be sharing the link to my Instagram and Facebook IDs in the description box, and you can just share your products or your creations. And thank you so much for watching this video, and do hit the subscribe button and like the video if you like this video. Thank you.